Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today. If you've spent, any time online lately, you've probably been completely bombarded by the 2026 AI gold rush. I mean, every other post claims you can make thousands of dollars in your sleep using artificial intelligence. But we're here to cut straight through that noise. Today we're going to look strictly at the data, the case studies, and the grounded realities of how people are actually generating income with AI right now, and honestly, more importantly, how you can too.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this is the central question on everyone's mind, isn't it? It taps into this massive global anxiety, but also a really profound sense of excitement. Are the machines coming for our paychecks, or are they unlocking unprecedented leverage for the average person? Well, the truth is actually somewhere right in the middle, and it depends entirely on how you approach the technology.
Section 1. The AI Hustle Reality Check. Let's separate the facts from the fiction.
Listen, if we want to actually build something sustainable this year, we have to aggressively separate the internet myths from practical business realities. There's a really harsh reality check circulating from practical creators out there like Mariology Tips, and they hit the nail on the head. Clicking a button is not a business. Solving a problem is. The myth is that you can just press a button and boom, money falls out of the sky. But the reality? You use AI to accelerate specific workflows. Businesses don't pay you just because you know how to use an AI tool. They pay you because you can save them time, fix a bottleneck, or create a tangible result way faster than they ever could.
A lot of this hype actually started with a term you've definitely heard: prompt engineering. Basically, the process of structuring natural language inputs to produce specified outputs from a generative AI model. But stripped of all that technical jargon, it simply means knowing exactly how to give the machine the right instructions to get the exact result you want.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how incredibly fast things have changed. Just a couple of years ago, people honestly thought prompt engineer was going to be the job of the future. But as Side Hustle School points out, as a standalone career, it's mostly hype today. Because AI models are getting exponentially smarter at understanding plain, everyday conversational language, the dedicated prompter is becoming totally obsolete. I mean, nobody is paying massive salaries just to talk to ChatGPT anymore. The value is no longer in the prompt itself, it's in what you actually build with it.
Section 2. Low Barrier Content Creation.
So, if prompt engineering isn't the golden ticket anymore, where do we start? Well, here are the most accessible, beginner-friendly entry points into the AI economy right now. These are the hustles that require absolutely zero coding background, and you can literally start them from scratch today. We're talking about short-form AI video creation for TikTok or Shorts, generating custom or stock video using platforms like InVideo, whipping up AI images on Midjourney, or leveraging AI virtual actors for UGC and even affiliate marketing. The secret here, it is a pure numbers game. Success in these low-barrier fields requires really high volume and extreme consistency to eventually catch a passive income stream. You're basically casting a massive net.
To give you a concrete number, $50. That's roughly what an AI-generated user-generated content, or UGC video featuring a virtual actor can fetch on freelance platforms like Fiverr right now. Brands desperately need authentic-feeling content for their ads, and they're totally willing to pay creators to generate these AI virtual actor clips simply because it's still way cheaper than organizing an entire live video shoot.
Section 3. The Domain Expertise Advantage.
But what if you want to make a lot more than $50 a pop? Well, that's where we shift our focus to higher-earning specialized hustles. The real money in 2026 lies in partnering your existing specialized human expertise with AI tools. Think about this hourly rate range, $12 to $200 an hour. That is what AI model trainers are making on platforms like Mercure right now. AI companies desperately need domain experts to evaluate their models. If you're a doctor, a lawyer, a financial analyst, or a really experienced software engineer, you hit that top tier. They need your highly trained human brain to tell the AI exactly where it's making nuanced mistakes in complex fields.
And this brilliantly illustrates why AI isn't replacing highly skilled human workers, it's actually amplifying them. The old way was doing everything manually, just staring at a blank page. But the winning 2026 way, it's having the AI handle the heavy lifting and the rough drafting, while you, the human expert, provide the editorial eye, the strategic direction, and that final crucial judgment. You aren't competing with the machine, you are managing it.
Moving on to Section 4. Products, Services, and Consulting.
Savvy entrepreneurs are taking this a huge step further by packaging these skills into actual sellable businesses. They aren't just doing one-off gig work, they're building real consulting offers. We've got a structured breakdown here that helps you identify exactly which business model fits your current skills and your risk tolerance. Like, if you're super organized, you can build custom AI bots for busy executives, super low risk. If you're more tech comfortable, workflow automation for small ops teams is highly lucrative. If you're an analyst, selling AI-assisted research reports to consultants is low risk but has really high value. And if you're a niche expert, prompt and template packs are a solid medium risk play. It's all about finding the buyer you understand best and building the specific solution they actually need.
So the crucial point is this. People with absolutely zero coding experience are making massive profits right now by building simple custom GPT bots. They're going out, finding busy executives and saying, hey, I will build you a custom bot that instantly formats your messy meeting notes into perfect weekly updates. They charge anywhere from $500 to $1,500 for just a few hours of no-code setup, and then they secure a monthly retainer for basic maintenance. It is literally a massive win-win.
But hey, as you explore these businesses, you gotta keep your expectations grounded. Take $37 for example. That's the cost of popular educational guides right now, like the AI Side Hustle Accelerator. It's a fantastic, really affordable starting point. But remember, these are educational PDFs. They teach you the business models. They are not magical, automated software that's going to run a business for you while you sleep. You still have to do the actual work.
Section 5, Red Flags and Hype Traps. Let's talk about what to avoid.
Speaking of keeping expectations grounded, I've got to give you a crucial warning. Not everything labeled AI is a goldmine. In fact, if some guy in a rented Lamborghini promises you passive wealth by tomorrow, absolutely run. You want to stay entirely away from these popular trends this year. Commercial AI art, it's a complete legal minefield because purely AI-generated images currently lack copyright protection. Fully automated content farms? Don't even bother. Google's algorithms will sniff those out and penalize your search rankings into oblivion. AI-powered dropshipping is literally just the exact same old dropshipping with all its logistical nightmares just slapped with a trendy new label. And generic prompt packs, like 100 prompts for marketers, they're completely dead because the AI is just too smart to even need them now. Seriously, avoid these hype traps.
Section 6. Launching your AI hustle, your exact blueprint.
All right, so we know what works and we know exactly what to avoid. Let's move to and see how this builds into a foolproof, 4-step path to market to land your very first paying client. Step 1. Pick a niche you already understand. Maybe it's real estate agents or local restaurant owners. Step 2. Name one painful, repeated task that they absolutely hate doing. Step 3. Build a small, specific AI solution for that exact task. And Step 4, and guys, this is absolutely the most important part. Sell the time saved, not the AI technology. Tell them, I can turn your 90-minute Friday reporting nightmare into a 10-minute breeze.
And when you pitch that solution, you've got to charge for it immediately. Do not fall into the trap of doing free work just to build up a portfolio. Free work just creates vague feedback and absolutely zero urgency from the client. Listen, if your AI tool genuinely saves a business owner valuable time, it is worth real money on day one. Proving your value requires someone actually opening their wallet for you.
Which brings us to our final and honestly most provocative thought to end on today. AI is fully ready and capable of doing the heavy lifting today. The real variable in this whole equation isn't the technology anymore, it's you. What unique human expertise, what strategic judgment, what deep industry knowledge are you bringing to this partnership? The machines have arrived for sure, but they still need a boss. So, figure out your unique angle, pair it with AI leverage, and this truly could be the year everything changes for you. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you build.